Hello again, welcome back to Digifox Labs. I'm Mr. Fox. Today we're going to be talking about the protocol called IOTA, and they have a native token called MIOTA. First and foremost, a disclaimer. We are not financial advisors, nor are we giving financial advice. Everything said here or heard here is 100% our opinion, as well as serving as a diary for us navigating this blockchain space. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. So this is the webpage of IOTA, located at iota.org, which a link will be provided in the link description below. So what does IOTA do? Well, as you can see here, they have connections with IoT, which is the Internet of Things, and securing the data. It is a data infrastructure blockchain, as well as verification of said data. Scrolling down here, they have data and value transfer protocols, enables new possibilities according, what blockchain doesn't provide new possibilities, right? So you have different things here indicating what they do. You have mobility, which they may very well be connecting with vehicles in the future. Smart cities, so they're providing a global infrastructure or a grid within certain cities globally. Obviously, they provide global trade, which is primarily what blockchains is used for, as it started out as a finance hedge. And then digital identity. Well, that's essentially going facial recognition. Now, all this seems very, very scary in the aspect of this is like one company, one protocol controlling everyone's lives. And I wouldn't say it's 100% controlling everyone, maybe like 0.01%, but it is a form of making lives easier. Now, exactly how? I'm not going to go too much into that as I do not work for IOTA. So, scrolling down here, they have smart charging. Electrical vehicles can autonomously pay for charging. Car wallets. That's pretty interesting. So your vehicle has a wallet in which you, I'm assuming, pull up and then it automatically charges, taking automatic funds out of the car's wallet. Mobility management, open transport, digital twins, custom border and management. So you can see here is definitely the goal of IOTA. It looks like to be ingraining in everyone's lives in some form or fashion, usually with commerce, usually with commerce, as well as transportation, as well as identity. So this is definitely a project you need to be keeping out for, because it very well may be the future. Because with regulations coming in every country being pro crypto or against crypto or intermediate for cryptos, you have to realize that it is going to come. It is going to be the future. It is going to be in everyone's lives. Now, which ones will those be? It's too early to say right now. But if IOTA is doing what they say they're doing, I can honestly say that they will be one of the few that are still lingering around in many years to come. And we have other partnerships as well as information on IOTA. If you want some of that information, go ahead and leave a comment below. We do think we found some ties with IOTA, as well as Ripple, as well as Stellar, as well as Quant, those four, among others as well. Algorand, I believe, is in there, and they're assuming it's essentially a big web, and they're all helping one another in different things. So, scrolling further down, they have the IOTA Foundations, and so if you're interested in learning about more on IOTA and what they do, and maybe even perhaps looking and getting a position or a job, this would probably be the location you need to go look into and ask some questions and find out who you need to get in contact with. They are currently located and registered in Germany, Berlin, and these are all the GitHub, Discord, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So, scrolling back up, on this channel, we are here to tell you what kind of cryptocurrencies, blockchains, investments, and stock market plays and information to help you navigate and make a more informed decision as far as your investments. Again, none of this is financial advice. It's 100% our opinion. We're just trying to educate and get information out there. So how do you get started? Well, ironically, they have a button for it. Okay, so get started. Boom, click it right there. So you have IOTA Basics and Quick Starts. So this is for developers, for enterprise, for financial investors, for community members. Now, you would think you would go on financial investors, but that's if you were like a company. So there's these right here for you, right? And so now you're looking at, well, what do I do? How do I go ahead and do this? How do I purchase IOTA? Well, it tells you right here how to buy IOTA. Buying IOTA. It's easy to transact on the IOTA distributed ledger. You can buy MIOTA quickly and securely. And these are the locations where you can buy it. Bitbavo, Binance, Bitfinex, Bitpanda, Upbit, Indidux. And let's see here, and I don't believe they have a DEX available. If I'm wrong, please indicate so in the comments below. But if we go to CoinGecko, it's currently trading at $1.13, circulating supply of 2.7 billion tokens and a market cap of 3 billion. Now, based off of the Internet of Things, we all know that 3 billion is very, very small. It's very, very early. We're looking at probably around 100 billion market cap, give or take a couple, right? Trading volume is 38 million. So in today's Internet of Things, like, you gotta remember, like, it's massive. The internet controls everyone, right? In some form or fashion, or it caters to individuals. So if we scroll further down, we can find more exchanges. It's available on OKX. It's available on eToro. It's Bitfinex, XRats, BitTrue, and let's see here, Gate.io. So they're all exchanges that it is available on, and obviously they didn't list them. So going back to the website. Once you have your interest in IOTA started and you have your IOTA tokens, we're looking at Firefly Wallet. So go ahead and click on Firefly Wallet. Okay. Cookies, go ahead and allow it. And the secure encryption with the IOTA ecosystem. Now, this is a Windows computer, if you haven't already figured that one out. So we're going to go ahead and start it. Okay. And this is a desktop wallet, which they do recommend. Migration process. So scrolling down here, security, easy to use, future proof, not just a wallet app. So do they have a mobile phone wallet? Not yet. I don't believe so. But in due time, I'm pretty sure they will. It is written in Rust. Very popular as far as developers are concerned. Let's see here. Secure and stronghold. Cryptos are crypto.rs. I thought it was Cryptos R Us, like a toy store, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to download it on Windows. So as you can see, this pop-up is going to happen. You have file name of desktop and then save as type, and you're going to hit save. As you can see right here, I'm not sure if you can see, it's downloading currently right now. Okay. All right. Going to open it. It's installing. Let's give it a little wait. Okay, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the Firefly app. You're going to see this icon right here. So click it. Right. Send, receive, and manage your IOTA tokens. So we're going to hit continue because we want to see it in English. You have other languages here: Finnish, French, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Swedish, Turkish, Vietnamese, Urdu, Ukrainian, and the likes. So hit continue. And you're gonna now condone the views of Firefly, so it's essentially telling you that, you know, it's your own responsibility. Because the Internet of Services things, whatever you see here, pretty much it's very well, you very well may be tracked, right? You know, and they have let's see here, does not provide service related to custody management. So you're a custodian of your own tokens. They don't have control over goods. They may make changes to these conditions. So whatever you see here, they can also change. You agreed to the provisions of any updates of the app. Data protection does not collect any of your personal data through the app. Please refer to Firefly policy. Use of the app. While using app and entering into this agreement, you represent to us that you are lawfully able to enter this agreement. The app must be downloaded and saved to your desktop. Crypto asset transactions are irreversible. You guarantee that you will use the app in accordance with the laws and regulations. Security, you agree that you are and shall in all times be responsible for your own safekeeping of tokens and such. And so you have fees and all the other stuff: grant licensing, warranty services, limited liabilities, and all that stuff. So give this a read before you start doing this. We did earlier, and honestly, here at digifox Labs, we sort of take that risk, right? So go ahead, we agree, continue. We like dark theme on here, so we're going to do dark theme. That's dark theme. I'm going to continue. Create a profile. You can create multiple user profiles to organize your wallets and improvise. So this is going to be, we're just going to call this one digifox Labs. Right? digifox Labs. Continue. Set up a wallet. Chrysalis network update. From April 1st, users can migrate their tokens. All right, so we're going to create a new wallet. And then you have a choice: either create a 24-word recovery phrase, or I want a hardware Ledger Nano S wallet. Nano X required. So we do have a hardware wallet. Let's go ahead and just do the 24 recovery phrase. So this is a recovery kit. It helps you recover your password and stuff like that, but that's nice and handy. We're not going to do that. We're just going to continue. So create a password. You need a strong password to protect your funds. Use a combination of words. Okay, so go ahead and think of a password, okay? And we'll go ahead and wait for you to do that. We'll also do that as well. So go ahead and set that up. And then here you can see, once you've done that, you set up a PIN code. So go ahead and do that. Set up your 6-digit PIN code. All right, hit continue. Right, here you're going to see your recovery phrase. Go ahead and set up your recovery phrase right now. Make sure you write it down. Put it in a safekeeping place. Maybe even write it in 1 or 2 different pieces of paper, as well as keeping one on like hidden somewhere else, and then have backups as well. You never know, right? Right, so go ahead and do that now.
As you see here, once you've verified your recovery phrase, it's going to ask you if you want to back up to a stronghold file. What does it do? Easily recover your wallet without typing in recovery phrase. Import your wallet on other devices. Recover your full transaction history. We're actually going to skip this. Now, stronghold, I'm not exactly sure who that is or what that is. I do know that you have stronghold nodes, and I'm wondering if that's the same thing, which is interesting, as we will be looking into that as well. But no thank you. We're going to go ahead and use our own knowledge and use our own security to go ahead and keep our funds safe. So skip file backup. Wallet setup complete. Your new wallet is ready to use. Finish setup. Let's go ahead and wait. And this is what the desktop wallet looks like. Wallet backup, we do not have it backed up. Wallet status is unlocked. And this is everything here. We have 0 MI. And scroll right there. We have Firefly, edit, wallet. And if you want to receive anything, you have it right there. You can add a wallet. So this is your Firefly wallet. Right, you want to receive anything, MIOTA tokens, there you go. So that's how you set it up. Happy days, happy trading, and let us know if this helped you.